Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the switch and the dock. This resets handshake issues. Make sure the system firmware is current and the battery is above 20% so updates won't interrupt. Unplug the dock's power and HDMI. This clears residual power and forces a new HDMI negotiation once reconnected. While it's unplugged, inspect cables and ports for debris or bent pins. Use compressed air if needed. Once done, you'll be ready to reconnect in the correct sequence to force a clean link. Now you perform a precise reconnection sequence to re-establish video and USB communication. Plug the AC adapter into the dock, then into the wall. This restores stable dock power, preventing voltage negotiation failures. Next, connect HDMI to the dock and confirm your TV is set to that HDMI input. This ensures the sync is active. Finally, slide the switch into the dock until it clicks. Watch for the dock LED and the TV signal. If the screen stays black, toggle TV inputs and try a soft restart on the console. If the basic sequence fails, you move to isolation steps to find the fault. Test another HDMI cable and a different TV to rule out a bad cable or TV handshake. Update the switch in handheld mode and test docking again. Sometimes firmware fixes the handshake. For dock-specific issues, unplug it for 5 minutes to discharge caps, then reconnect in proper order. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip: check with another official dock or USB-C to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.